Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
bringing immediate comfort into your room. The TechJoy Premium Cool Mist Humidifier is designed with many great features. Thanks to ultrasonic technology that disperses a miracle mist into the air, releasing 250 milliliters of moisture per hour on high through the large 2.5-liter water tank, the TechJoy Ultrasonic Humidifier is committed to help you breathe better and live happier. The unique Swiss-style tank lifting handle ensures a truly pleasant refill and a very easy clean. Its ETL-certified safe, built-in auto-off feature guarantees you peace of mind. The whisper-quiet operation makes TechJoy your best choice for babies and light sleepers. Optimize your comfort with the 360-degree multi-directional mist nozzle and the low, medium, high mist settings. With optional nightlight settings to maximize your sleep, the TechJoy Humidifier is your perfect sleep partner. Elegant and powerful, build your own serenity with TechJoy Premium Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier.
Feel refreshed at home with the Levoit LV400CH Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. By dispersing a cool, comforting mist, the humidifier eases a variety of irritations caused by dry weather, including dry skin and nasal passages, uncomfortable sleep, and static electricity. The removable ceramic water filter and activated carbon air filter work in unison to treat the water before it's diffused, allowing you and your family to stay happy and healthy. The humidifier operates using quiet ultrasonic technology, so you'll be able to breathe easy as you sleep comfortably into the night. It also comes with a built-in nightlight to help you transition into a deep slumber. You can transform the humidifier into an aroma diffuser by adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil onto the aroma pad. With a large 4-liter capacity, you'll be able to enjoy up to 20 hours of cool mist on a single tank. The humidifier will automatically turn off when all of the water has been diffused. The Levoit LV400CH humidifier is easy to set up. Simply remove the water tank from the base, remove the cap, and fill the tank to your desired level. Replace the cap and wipe away any excess moisture from the tank and base. Place the tank on top of the base, making sure the tank is properly aligned. Plug in the humidifier and turn it on by pressing the power button. The LV400CH humidifier's power button controls all of the main functions, including switching between the low and high mist intensities, as well as the built-in nightlight. Cleaning the humidifier is simple. Remove the water tank from the base and add distilled white vinegar to both the inner chamber and water tank. Scrub all parts of the humidifier with a soft bristle brush and rinse all parts thoroughly before allowing the humidifier to completely dry. If you use the aroma pad for essential oils, you'll want to rinse it under clean, warm water and pat it dry. With the Levoit LV400CH Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, you'll be able to breathe easier, feel refreshed at home, and you'll be able to see a better you.